Intriguing question. Imagine a ship built today, with all our modern technology, sailing alongside the legendary Titanic. How different would they truly be? Get ready to uncover the astonishing evolution of ship design, from the tragic beauty of the past to the futuristic marvels of today's cruise liners. Bold statement. Forget everything you thought you knew about ship safety after the Titanic. Modern cruise ships aren't just bigger. They're engineering masterpieces built on lessons learned from over a century of maritime history. We're diving deep into the revolutionary changes that separate the ships of yesteryear from the floating cities of tomorrow. Relatable problem, curiosity. We've all seen movies about the Titanic, but have you ever stopped to wonder why a similar disaster is almost unthinkable with today's cruise ships? Join us on an incredible journey from the drawing boards of the early 20th century to the cutting-edge designs shaping the future of ocean travel.